Hey, what's up, folks? What's up, YouTube? How is everybody doing? It's your boy Shane, and today we're back again, guys, with another stock market review. And today we're gonna be looking at the stock market and how some news and some catalysts have affected the market, and how the charts are looking, and what stocks are gonna be very high and volatile in the next few weeks and the rest of the year and going into 2022. So today, guys, starting off this video, we're gonna be looking at the US indexes, and we're gonna be seeing what's going on. So we're gonna be looking at the Dow Jones first, and we're gonna be seeing how that chart is looking. So looking at the Dow Jones right now, guys, it is sitting at 34K right now on the Dow. So looking at this chart, guys, you clearly see over the past week or two we have been getting some beat down, and the whole market has been in red. So clearly, guys, we broken below the 35K support that I have been telling you guys about on the last stock market video. We have broken below that support level right here at 35,600. We broke that level, and now we're currently trading at 34,580 on the Dow Jones, and we're finding support right below this level. So this is on the daily time frame too, guys. So let's see if we're gonna hold support right below this level, right below. If we hold support right below 33.6, we should be good, and I think we should be pushing up to test 35.7 in the near future if we could hold support right below these levels right here, guys. So let me just draw that up for you and show you what I'm talking about, guys. If we could just hold support right below these levels, we should be good. Okay, this is how the market works. We just need to find some support right below these levels, guys, and we should be good. Once we hold support below these levels, guys, we should be perfectly fine sitting on the Dow Jones Industrials. So that's how the Dow is looking, guys. Let's see how this week is gonna play out with a lot of data coming out for the US economy. We got a lot of data coming out this week, guys. We also have the CPI data coming out this week. We got a whole bunch of stuff going on in the market, guys. So looking at the let me see which index, this S&P 500. Let's look at the S&P 500, guys. And right now, also you can see on the S&P 500, ever since it hit the all-time high, we have been getting some bleed out on the S&P 500, and right now it's trying to find support around the 4,500 level. So let's see if the S&P 500 hold its support right at this level, or let's see if this level is gonna act as a resistance for the S&P 500 around this level. 4,550 level is a nice support. So let's see if the bulls are gonna step in and buy this price up and retest 4,700 area, which is the all-time high area. Let's see if the bulls have this strength and have the willingness to push this market back up. Let's see if this is a buy the dip opportunity, or we're gonna get a dead cat bounce and we're gonna be pushing further down below to 4,250 on the S&P 500. So to me, guys, I think this is a buy the dip opportunity on all the stocks that are going down, all the crypto that are going down, and the indexes. I think it's a buy the dip opportunity. It's a correction that is going on right now. So looking on the NASDAQ has been doing the same shit, guys. So NASDAQ has broken down and it is finding some support right now at 15K. So let's see if NASDAQ this week is gonna get a green day, maybe tomorrow, or a green week, all the 5 days for the trading days next week, and we're gonna push and test the 16K level for NASDAQ coming next week. Or let's see if the bears are gonna continue and make it a very cold winter a very cold winter for everybody. Let's see if the bears are gonna push the NASDAQ all the way down to 13, all the way down to $14,175 on the NASDAQ. So that's how the indexes are looking right now, guys. Now we're going to be taking a look at some of our stocks that we like to take a look at in the market. So let's see what we have going on. Those are high dividends. We don't want to see that. Alright, so let's take a look at some of the big boys. Let's look at Apple. Let's see how Apple is looking, guys. Apple has also been taking a beat down too. So after hitting 170, guys, Apple have broken down to 160 right now. It is down on the last trading day about 1% and some change. So let's see if Apple is gonna hold this support at 160 or if it's gonna break below 160. If it does break below 160, look for a test at 150 on the Apple stock, guys. Okay, and Apple is a very good company. Apple is a buy and hold long-term play for me. So if you want to trade Apple, you go and trade. Let's look at Google. See how Google is looking on the charts. So Google also had taken a beat down, guys, after hitting 3,000. It is now trading at 2,800, which is a good support, which we see over the past week. It has been bouncing off this level and we still haven't gotten a full breakdown to 2,700. It is holding up at 2,800 pretty nice. So let's see if it's gonna hold that price coming next week or we're gonna get a breakdown below 700 on Google. Let's look at Visa. Visa has already been broken down, bro. So right now Visa is definitely in a downtrend, and it is finding some support right here at 190, which is a nice support level, and it has been trading down in the downtrend for quite some time now. It has been taking a beating, so let's see if it's definitely gonna find strong support at 190 and break to test 200 and 210 next on Visa. And Visa is, I think Visa is a buy the dip at the 190 level. Alright, let's see what else we can look at, guys. Let's see how Tesla is looking. Tesla. Alright, so looking at Tesla right now, guys, we clearly see after hitting all-time high of 1,200, Tesla is in a downtrend right now. It is trading at roughly $1,000, and right now, guys, it closed on the red on the last trading day, and it break below. I wouldn't definitely say it's a full confirmation of a break below 1,000 yet. Let's see if this area is gonna be a buy the dip opportunity and it's gonna hold. But if not, it's definitely gonna test 880 to fill this gap right here. And if that does not hold, it is definitely going to 770. So let's see how Tesla is gonna be looking this coming week with the major news that we have and major data coming out for the stock market next week. We have the CPI data coming out, and we're gonna see how inflation is gonna be looking for the last reading, which I think is gonna be very high. and that's gonna make things hot and make things very, very volatile in the market. Let's see how Affirm is looking, because Affirm is a company that I like, and it's a buy the dip opportunity for me right now. And the Affirm is definitely in a bear trend, and let's see if it's gonna fill this gap to $90. If it does fill this gap at 90, I think a lot of buyers are gonna come in. If it might even go to 80 if it does a whole 90. So Affirm right now has these two gaps to fill. Let's see if that's gonna take place coming next week and the weeks to follow. Let's see if the bears are gonna continue to make this a very, very cold winter for some of these nice stocks that we got. So Affirm, guys, I think it's a buy the dip opportunity right now. It was trading at $176 a few weeks ago, and now it is trading at $107 right now. That's a very, 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 very good price to be buying the dip on Affirm, guys. I'm telling you, when everything is settled and everything is back to normal in the market and all the fear is gone, everything is going to be going back to the all-time highs. And right now, how the Fed is moving, guys, the Fed is moving very, very hawkish right now, guys, and things could be bad for the market, and there could be more pain if the Fed move too fast, which I think that they're doing. And I'm gonna be putting out a forex video, because a lot of the Fed and all that stuff is connected to the forex market and also to the stock market, basically across our market. But in the forex video that I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna be giving more insight onto the Fed and what they have going on that video. So I hope you guys just check that video out if you guys get the time to do so. So let's check out another stock that I like as well, which is Metaport. That's for the metaverse play. I like that one for the metaverse play. So looking at Metaport right now, guys, we definitely see that Metaport is also getting sold off, getting flushed out after reaching its all-time high of $37. And with the metaverse heating up, guys, I think Metaport could double in price with a market cap of, I think it's about 6 billion the last time I checked, if I'm not mistaken, guys. I need to double check on that, but don't quote me. So I think Metaport could definitely double in price, and it has a lot of room to grow, with also the metaverse taking over, which is the next hot thing right now. So Metaport is a good play, guys. It's a good company for you, and I like it, Metaport. And right now it is trading at $25, which is a discount from the all-time high of 37. I'm gonna be buying some on this dip. Definitely tomorrow I'm gonna be loading up, and if it goes to even 20, I'm just gonna be dollar cost and average on that. So yeah, I think Metaport is a good play for the metaverse play, guys. And the stock market, yeah, I think I made a video of some time ago, I think it's about 2 weeks ago, when I was telling you guys that a correction, if you go on my channel you can check that out. I think it's the correction. I said correction is needed. The stock market is high, so definitely we're getting that correction, and I think everyone is buying the dip opportunity right now on that. So let's look at NEO, guys, because there has been a lot of attention on NEO and a whole bunch of FUD been spreading on NEO. So right now the market is reacting very negative on NEO, which is a Chinese car company, EV play. And NEO, guys, definitely on Friday, NEO took a hit from this market. NEO was sitting at $40, and now NEO is down to $31.50, guys. That's crazy, and I think there's a lot more pain coming for NEO if it does break 31. I think NEO could be going down to $20, guys, coming soon, with all the negative things that is coming around NEO about delisting and all of that stuff coming out from China. So let's see how NEO is gonna react, how the market is gonna treat NEO tomorrow, guys. I think you could make money off NEO tomorrow. I think it's gonna be very volatile for NEO coming when the market is open, guys. I'm telling you, is either NEO is gonna be selling down to $20 or NEO is gonna shoot back up to 40, which I don't think. It does not look pretty happy on NEO sides. Let's see if we have any news. EV weekend review, industry sinks with broader market. Musk hints at earning call appearance. Analysts are standing by these well-positioned growth stocks. Alright, so we don't got anything on NEO right now. So NEO, the reason why it's dropping is also because of DD. DD's delisting from the New York exchange, and it is coming out of the US going to China. So that's why we're having these huge bloodbath on the EV plays, guys. So that's how that is looking on the EV side. So I hope you guys are just buying the dip on the dip. This is not financial advice. I hope you guys are buying the dip so you can enjoy the rip on some of these good, position stock who are just being oversold because there's a lot of fear in the market. I hope everyone just take advantage of that. So if you guys like this video and you enjoy the content, and if there is any stock that you guys like and you want me to check it out, give you some technical analysis on that, and yeah, be free to comment down below, like, share, and subscribe. And I hope you enjoy this banging video, and I will see you guys in the next stock market preview and give you my thoughts and what I think about what's going on in the market. So stay locked in, folks. Stay tuned. It's your boy Shane, and I'm out. Peace.